Have you ever had issues connecting your preferred broker to your MT5? Then hold on, let me show you how. This is PkMonivest and we teach you how to trade Forex. Once you open your broker's homepage, first thing you have to do is to click on the real icon over there. Once you get there, you switch from real to demo. Depending on the kind of account you want to link, if it's your demo account, click on demo. After that, go ahead to click on the standard, which is the standard account on the demo, and wait for it to switch into demo. Now this is specifically for those that want to link their demo account. As you can see, you have successfully switched to your demo standard account. Now we move on to the next step. At this stage, you have to click on the demo icon on the top left corner of your screen and you'd come to this stage. As you can see now, your account has been set to a standard demo account of 10,000. Now click on the manage icon. Now once you're on this page, you have to click on account information. That is where you're going to get all the details of what you'd be using to link to your MT5. Once you are on the account information, you have to make sure to copy the XM server that you'll be linking on your MT5 and also your MT ID. So make sure you copy those two details and pay attention to other details that this demo account carries. Right, so once you have copied this detail, the next thing you have to do is to move over to your MetaTrader 5. Now, once on your MetaTrader 5, go ahead to click on the 3-line icon on the top left corner of your screen and proceed to click on Manage Account. Go ahead to click on the plus sign on the top right corner of your screen and proceed to search your preferred broker. Now, if your preferred broker is XM, all you have to do is to type in XM Global Limited and you're going to find it there. Now click on it, and right here on this page, you now have to input those details you copied from your broker. Right here on this login space, you put in the MT5 ID that you copied from your broker, and in context we are using XM right here. So after that, you make sure to set your server to the same server you copied on your broker. Now if you remember, the server we copied on the broker was XM Global MT5. So make sure to set your server to that particular one. If you don't, it's going to show that your login has been unauthorized or a failure in the authorization. So that's what we are doing here. We are setting it to XM Global MT5. Now at this stage, we have to set a password, and to be able to do this, you have to go back to your broker app, in context XM for this video because that's what we're using. So back here on the XM app, what we have to do is to change trading password. So once you click on change trading password, you now have to input your new trading account password, your preferred trading account password, because that is what would grant you access into that account on your MT5, or if you choose to use TradingView. But for this video, we are working on MT5. So we'll go ahead to set the password according to the password requirement for this particular broker. As you can see, it now says our trading account has been successfully changed. So we'll go ahead to set the balance for this account if you wish, right? I'll be setting the balance for this account $200 to keep it realistic while trading on the demo account. And now your balance has been set. Now all you have to do is to go back to your MT5 and input that password that you set. Okay, so while I'm typing this password, you might want to know why we at PkMonivest recommend this particular broker called XM. The answer is simple. It's because on every deposit you get 100% bonus added to your equity, and that's double trading power if you ask me. All right, so the link to register on XM will be in the description. So back to MT5. After typing the password, now we click on login, and as you can see right here, the account has been successfully logged into on the MetaTrader 5. Now, if you want to link either of your demo or real account, this method works very well. Now, remember the good news I told you about XM Broker earlier on? Yes, this means if you deposit $50 into your XM account, you get 100% bonus of an extra $50, making it a total of $100 to trade with in your equity. Well, if I were you, I wouldn't sleep on this one. So the link would be in the bio. Join, register, and enjoy trading with XM. Also do well to join our Telegram channel for live updates and Forex signals. See you soon. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos like this.